Okay, I am hello and I'm back again. So don't mind about my background, okay? So I am back again with book two. Book two. By now, I suspect that you have already learned how to read and write in book one, and you've gone through that video over and over and over and over and over again. So now we're going to book two or class two. Now you've been promoted to the next class of Nuer. Congratulations, okay? So let's move on. Book 2 or Bok Rew, class 2. Bok Rew, class 2. Del, man, Del. Del, goat. Not Alexander the Great, okay? Del, goat. Mama Adele, this is a goat. Mama Adele, this is a goat. Del thin, there is a goat. Adele Jack, it is Jack's goat. Jack Chadela cup, Jack's caught his goat. Jack Chadela ngach, Jack milked his goat. Chaman mo chak, he gave the milk to his mother. Chaman mo chak, he gave the milk to his mother. Or he gave his mother some milk. Antakadel, I have a goat. In book one, I told you, you can actually omit and it still retain the same meaning. Takadel mean I have a goat. Okay, Antakadel also mean I have a goat. So, Nyang Chadel Cham, a crocodile eats a goat. Or you can say a crocodile had eaten my goat. Lek. Lek is the pestle. Sorry, let me change my pointer this pestles here is what is known as lek. You know, punduk, other Nuer, some Nuer will call it ko. You know, like the eastern, like Jikany called this ko. You know, and I think all of them refer to this as lek. You know, ko, lek. Or Matiga Bentu, Bialara punduk. Then kanangu, kanelek de. And if this is made out of earth, out of the ground, it is called as what? Tong and lek remain the same. Okay? So, meme and lek. This is a pestle, not a pistol. Okay? A pestle. Lek are thin. There is a pestle. A leg mangan. It is mother's pestles. It is mother pestles. Chi nyamal a cup. Nyamal caught it, or you can say nyamal catches it. Or nyamal is holding it. Okay, chi nyamal a cup. Nyamal caught it. Okay, tak awi maj. Tak awi maj. A clay ball on fire. You remember that statement already. Nyamal shaware kaka. Nyamal went into the garden. Del thin re kaka. This can be a good news. Can be. Nyamal, sorry, del thin re kaka. There is a goat in the garden. Goats are sometimes very destructive, I should say. So, a del michi jack engach. A goat that Jack had milked. A del michi jack. A del michi jack engach. A goat that Jack had milked. Okay. Nen rek. Nen rek. What a beautiful fence. Made of bamboos. You know, lights, windows. Rek magalong machalat ke low. See? Rek magalong machalat ke low. Take a joy the toys kude. Take a joy the toy kude. Take a window ni take a window you need to go. Dwell machalat ke top. They con dwell lat dwell joy ni lapal nori. Then the letters ke top. Ko chadela mal dak ke chadela wang kamach. Joy the toy to go. Rek machalat kung ke low. Nen rek. See fence. See fence. Before we say kal, and now we have rek. What's the difference? What's the difference between kal and fence? Kal, remember, doesn't look like this. Okay? Fence. Meme rek. This is a fence. Rek are thin. There is a fence. Tak rek. I have a fence. Charek nen. Charek nen. I saw a fence. Or you can say, I have seen a fence. I saw a fence. Ran charek nen. A person saw a fence. Man jak chedel nen. Jack's mother saw a goat. Chelek nen bo. She saw a pestle too. Elegde. Elegde. It is a pestle. Now, I want to teach you one more thing about rek here. Some subclans of Nuer, when they say rek, they actually don't mean just a literal fence sometimes. It means a town, okay? If you say Shina Warek, sometimes it does not mean people went into the compound or into the fence. They just say they went into town. People went to town. When they say Chimar Warek, it means my mother went to town. So I just want you to know that. But as you remember, right now we're focusing on how to read and write, okay? The meaning, if we want the meaning of all this stuff, let's go to teach yourself Nuer, okay? Grammar. Okay, that's a walking stick, a beautiful one. Okay, cat, stick or cane, stick or cane. Take a cat. I have a stick. And remember, Nuer also have a different cat, you know. They have a different stick. This is just a walking stick. Namaya cat jal. They have another stick which they use as a weapon. Okay, and this is shaped different. I will show you sometime. It's shaped different. It is shaped like a baseball bat. Okay, if you know your baseball bat, made out of thick wood. Nuer used it as what? They used it as a weapon. So could chol kind of boy cat. Okay, the mayor cat jal, but cat a lot the mayor chal la chet ke baseball bat. A cat core, you know, one hard way. Okay, so cat. Talk a cat. I have a stick. Meme a cat. This is a stick. Jack a cat nen. Jack saw a stick. A cat de. It is a stick. Kede arekal. His stick is in the compound. Chatak nen wimai. I saw a clay ball on fire. Gat nyang nen. A baby saw a crocodile. I hope she is in a safe distance. Chik gat nyang nen. A baby saw a crocodile. A nyang michidel nuk. A crocodile or a croc that had killed a goat. Red deng. I apologize, coach. I'm going to tour the nigga listen go hama. Suppose they're going to tour the nigga muka garden water. Okay? So next video ka tong bala tour by the moina garden water, okay? So red deng. Red and deng. These are all the names of Nuer, okay? Red are thin. There is red. Chi red ben. Red came. Chi deng ben bo. Deng also came. Amani Jack. And so did Jack. Chikaben, they came. Chikawa rei kaka, they went into the garden. Chikawatin, they went there. Chikareknen, they saw a fence. Okay, should these are names, okay? Nouns, I should say. Now, what kind of nouns did you learn so far? You know, we've learned about del, which is a goat, ran, a person or someone, lek, pestle, rek, fence, gut, a baby or a child, tak, a clay ball, thuk, a castrated bull, mach, a fire, or a gun, chak, milk. Read are verbs, okay? This is This is something that you will learn more about when you go to teach yourself Nuer grammar. There are tons and different kind of nouns, okay? And tons and different kind of verbs that you can learn from that book, okay? Read verb. Nen, see. Nuk, kill. Cub, catch. Ngach, milk. Chum, eat. Kel, kel, dab. Kel, dab. This is not kel. Kel mean one, remember, but kel mean together. Sometimes dip mean fishing or dab, casting, okay? She read wadab. She read wadab. Read when fishing. But the noun, okay, the verb for fishing actually is dip, okay? We will learn about that again in Teach Yourself Nuer. She read wadab. Read when fishing. She deng wakel keje. Deng went with him. Chike wa dab kel. They went fishing together. Chi thug ben. A bull came, or the bull came. A thug jack. It is Jack's bull. Chawa regal. It went into the compound. Row, rich. Row, rich. Or in where you can actually interchange this. Regro. Regro would mean to fish, but here mean to fish. Red kene deng chike wa deb. Red and deng went fishing. Chike rich cup. They caught some fish. Chike rich row cup. They caught 2 fish. Chike ke chum. Chike ke chum. They had them. Chi Jack ben. Jack came. Cherech chum ke kel. He had fish with them. Or you can say he had fish with them together. Jack shedeng much cared. Jack gave Deng a stick. Un cherech row chum. I have eaten 2 fish. Next. Ray rag. Remember, this is a related word, something related to the fence. Ray rag. Inside the fence, or you can say inside the compound. Before we learn about raykal, this means the same, okay? Ray rag. Chinyal wa ray rag. A girl went inside the fence. Che wa ray kaka. She went into the garden. Che nyamal. It is not nyamal. E nyarag. It is nyarag. Chi nyamal ben boh. Nyamal came too. Amani deng. And so did Deng. Man dang are thin. There is Deng's mother. Che Deng moj rejro. She gave Deng 2 fish. We're moving on. Man palag. Man palag or ter. Chicken. Most Nuer in the western part of the Nile refer to this as ter. But most Nuer on the eastern part of the river Nile refer to the same chicken as man palag. So don't be surprised when someone say ter. This is just another Nuer. When they say man palag, they also mean the same, okay? Man palag, ter, or chicken. Meme a man palag, or if you're from Bentu, you will say meme a ter. This is a chicken. Chi nyarak man palag nen. Nyarak so a chicken. A man palag de. It is a chicken. Chi nyamal ben. Nyamal came. Jeben kapet. She came in fast. Chike man palag nen kale. They both saw the chicken. Deng kane red. Chikawa dab. Deng and Red went fishing. Pronouns. Sorry, I will say pronounce this. Okay, pronounce this or pronounce this. Red. I want you to write this as I spell them, okay? First of all, I will switch to me and I want you to just hear me out while you write this down. And then later on I will turn on the slide and you will compare your notes with what I have written and see if you have written it correctly. Okay? Red. Red. Rat. Rat or man rat. Rat, man rat. Del. Del. Dal. Dal. Rek. Rek. Rag. Rag. Deng. Deng. Dang. Dang. Okay? Now I will turn on the slides. Compare. Pause and compare and see if you have written all this correctly. If not, now come with me again. Red. Rat. Like you would say man rat. Okay? Rat. Del. Dal. Rek. Rag. Deng. Dang. So, part 1 ke part 1 ke Bok Rew che talk. Next video pan work part 2 ke Bok Rew. So this has brought us to part 2. I mean part 1 of class 2 is over. Next time I'll bring you part 2, okay, of book 2. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.